What is sea moss? Sea moss is a species of red algae or red seaweed. It also goes by the names Irish moss, Jamaican sea moss, Caribbean sea moss. Sea moss is a tough, stringy red, yellow, or purple seaweed that grows up to 6 inches high on rocks in tidal pools along the Atlantic coast of Europe and North America. Because it grows on rocks, it absorbs many of the minerals and other key nutrients from the rocks themselves. Sea moss has been used as a traditional alternative medicine for centuries. Recently, celebrities such as Kim Kardashian have been touting the benefits of sea moss, which could be why it's gaining popularity. Irish sea moss was one of Dr. Sebi's many go-to herbs for cleansing, fasting, and daily nutrition. God made sea moss and it does everything, Dr. Sebi quote. Here are 7 amazing health benefits of sea moss. Number 1. Nutrition. The human body is made up of 102 minerals and Irish moss contains a whopping 92 of them. It also provides a wealth of other important nutrients including protein, beta-carotene, B vitamins, pectin, vitamin C and sulfur. One of the most important of these nutrients is a sulfur-containing amino acid called taurine, which is more abundant in Irish moss than any other seaweed, a nutrient that is commonly lacking in vegetarian and vegan diets. Sea moss is an excellent immune-boosting food that can be invaluable in the recovery from debilitating illness. Its high vitamin and mineral content make it the perfect food to replenish and revitalize the body after a long battle with disease. Number 2. Thyroid health. Your thyroid produces hormones that play an essential role in every major system in the body. As a result of not producing enough of these hormones, your entire body is thrown into chaos. This is known as an underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, and it comes with symptoms like uncontrollable weight gain, fatigue, depression and widespread muscle pain. You can't create thyroid hormones without the trace element iodine, but it's one of the most common deficiencies in the world. In fact, it's estimated that in as many as 95% of cases of hypothyroidism, the patient is iodine deficient. Irish sea moss is packed with iodine, as well as another thyroid essential trace mineral called selenium. Furthermore, it actually contains forms of triiodothyronine and thyroxine, the 2 main thyroid hormones. Sea moss provides the body with a good source of thyroid hormones that allow the body to produce and repair thyroids. Number 3. Healthy sexual function. Sea moss is rich in zinc and other minerals that are vital for reproductive function and health. The rich zinc content makes it ideal for boosting testosterone and male performance. In addition, it helps to increase sperm count and mobility. Sea moss is great for anyone who desires an increased sex drive. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, sea moss promotes circulation throughout the entire body, especially our reproductive organs. Sea moss can be used as a natural aphrodisiac for men. It is touted as a potent natural sexual enhancer. For men who are experiencing difficulty with sex-related drive, stamina, erection, and other abnormalities, then you should consider consuming sea moss regularly. Number 4. Skin care. Sea moss is known for its high vitamin and mineral content, and for its ability to help the skin retain moisture. Sea moss non-comedogenic and very hydrating. However, most beneficial is its ability to summer acne. It is rich in sulfur, which has antibacterial properties and may help foster a healthy skin microbiome. Sea moss has an antibacterial effect on Propionibacterium, an acne-causing bacteria, and it can help decrease sebum production, making it potentially helpful for those with acne-prone skin. And while our days outside may be reduced, in addition to sulfur, sea moss is also rich in magnesium, calcium, potassium, vitamin A and vitamin K, all ingredients that help hydrate the skin and protect from environmental elements. Number 5. Helps respiratory system. Being a potent source of potassium chloride, this sea moss dissolves catarrh, phlegm and soothes inflammation of the mucous membranes to prevent congestion, helping to clear out the lungs of any phlegm that builds up with a common cold. Because of these expectorant qualities, Irish moss may help to prevent a common cold from turning into pneumonia and can treat other respiratory problems such as bronchitis. Irish moss also has powerful antiviral properties, helping to prevent or treat a myriad of disorders such as flu, sore throats, chesty coughs and much more. Number 6. Cancer treatment. Sea moss has been known to have anti-cancer properties. The Egyptians used seaweed to treat breast cancer as early as 2640 BC. While both traditional Chinese medicine and Japanese folk medicine use seaweed to treat tumors. Modern science is now recognizing how important seaweed can be for cancer prevention, with studies showing that a diet rich in seaweed can dramatically reduce blood markers linked to cancer. The growth of abnormal cells characterizes cancer. Carotenoids are a class of biological pigment which are known to have beneficial effects for cancer prevention. Carotenoids, including fucoxanthin, are in many seaweed species and considered by researchers to have incredible potential cancer-fighting properties with promising applications in other areas of human health. Fucoxanthin is one of the most readily available carotenoids that is naturally found in sea moss. It is known to stop the growth cycle of cancer cells, leading to programmed cell death, dramatically slowing cancer growth. Number 7. Improves energy levels. Iron assists to transport oxygen to the cells. It also assists the metabolic enzyme process that is essential to absorb nutrients and digest proteins from the food. Due to this, iron deficiency leads to the exhaustion, sluggish symptoms and problem in being active. The deficiency results to mood changes, low concentration and problem in the muscle coordination. Iron is required for the movement of muscles as it assists in the oxygen storage in the muscles that helps to strengthen and movement. Iron is essential to support the functions of brain as it supplies oxygen to the brain. About 20% of the oxygen is used by the brain. The deficiency of iron leads to mental or memory problems. Sea moss contains about 9 mg of iron per 100 grams, which means sea moss has 9 times more iron than most meats that we consume. This has been 7 amazing health benefits sea moss. Thank you.